Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify your age on Steam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up your Steam client and then obviously sign into your account. And then from here, you want to go in and click onto Steam and then click into settings. Now, Steam settings should appear like so. Then from here, on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. We want to go ahead and click on the downloads tab, and then basically to the right of this, want to go ahead and clear the download cache. So clearing the download cache might resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So go ahead and clear cache and click confirm. Now that's going to restart your Steam game as you do it. Now the next fix is to go ahead and reopen up Steam, click onto your profile name, and then from here we want to go ahead and click onto store preferences. Now you're going to come into side of your account here under store preferences. Now basically what we want to do is make sure all these boxes are checked. So just go ahead and check all of these one by one. Then from here we need to come up to account details, and now if you don't have a payment method linked to your account, you need to go ahead and do that. So add a payment method to your account. Now what that does, that's going to help verify your age as well. Now the next thing we can try is go to family management and make sure you don't have a family account linked to it. And if you do have it linked, make sure you're not listed as a child if it's been incorrectly listed. So basically if you've been wrongly added as a child here, that's going to give restrictions on your account. So make sure you don't have that here. If you do, you need to go through the process of removing that family management, and there are videos on YouTube how to do that. I'm just not going to get deeply into that for this video. So basically that's how to fix your unable to verify age on Steam.